Hey YouTube fam, what's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse. How y'all doing? How y'all been? Y'all hear that? That is the yard man. Oh my goodness, he across the street now. I just did another video same day, guys, and I was just trying to get these videos up because I've been going through so much so fast. My birthday came up. My best friend birthday came up. Mind you, she passed 2 weeks before Christmas. Her birthday is actually the 10th, and mine was the 8th, and it was just, I was like, it was just a lot going on. But we're going to have that conversation. And y'all, let me tell y'all what I did for my birthday. I didn't really do a lot of nothing. I went to see something like a ball, so like a something grand opening. It was really good. And I did Bath and Body Works. I went to Bath and Body Works, and I was in that store for 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. I'll show. If y'all want to see this haul for that Bath and Body Works Serum and make a haul out of it, I will record it and we can just do some talking, okay? Anyway, today we talking about my Boxycharm. This is my Boxycharm premium box, y'all. Yes, see how big it is? So I'm excited. I couldn't wait. I did cut it open last night, and I was thinking about maybe doing a get ready with me with this video, or checking out the Boxycharm products that I got, but I never done those. Y'all, would y'all like me to do that? Y'all know my video will be kind of rough. But anyway, this is what the box looks like. On the inside, it says, break the ice. Break the ice is the theme for this month. And y'all, anybody who doesn't know what Boxycharm is, let me just explain. But a lot of people, I'm pretty sure, do know. I'll put a link in the description box if you want to subscribe. I'm going to get some charms. That's all I'm going to get. And you'll probably get a free product because they've been doing free products for new subscriptions. And I think that's pretty cool. So anyway, let me get the little card and see what this says. Too Faced Palm Springs palette strings. Palm Springs palette is the first thing on the list. Now this palette is fairly new, just came out, y'all. I was gonna order this palette until I saw one of the spoilers for January. They said we was getting it, so no ma'am, I did not order it. I waited. This palette is $45, and it is a real pretty baby. Ooh, she pretty. Oh, I want this so bad. And I like all the Too Faced palettes that come in this packaging. And this time, it's not tin. It feels like plastic. But, ooh, it's pretty. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at her. Look at them colors. That is pretty. I think I'm going to use this tomorrow. I'm going to Tasty's Bar and Grill, or Taster Bar and Grill, something like that. Tracy taking me to brunch for my birthday tomorrow. So I figured that'll be some fun. So I'm going to be cute. Of course, I'm going to do another video. We're going to have that little talk that we're supposed to have that I know y'all waiting on me to tell. I'm going to tell it in that video tomorrow. Okay? But my age, y'all, my age. My daughter cracked me up and said, she said, okay, Mom, you can just really go ahead and tell me now. So go and tell me. So I told her. So I done run and told her. I'm going to tell y'all, I just had to tell her first. So anyway. Like it's a big secret. I don't know why. My whole life has been a secret. But anyway, we talking about this box. There I go running my mouth. The Palm Springs palette is the first thing in here. Too Faced. And I think it's so beautiful. The next thing I have in my box is, it says, TULA Skincare. Keep it clear, acne prone cleanser. Okay. All right. TULA. I think I've seen TULA on Sephora. TULA Skincare, keep it, okay, it says the effective yet gentle foam cleanser is where skin begins. 2%, oh, it's got 2% salicylic, that word I can't say, salicylic acid provides major acne clearing power, while superfood licorice helps brighten the look of past blemish marks. Ooh, I'm gonna like this. Alcohol and fragrance free. This cleanser treats regular, occasional breakout, leaving the skin soft and glowy. Okay. All right. Boxycharm. Look at here. That's what it looks like. That's pretty. I like the box. Y'all know I got so much skincare now. It said, y'all see my nails? I don't have any. I don't have any on. I spent the last 3 days, y'all, working rehab. I mean, working ER. I don't know why I told that lie, rehab. And it don't have a scent. That's what it looks like. Okay, how much is this? Probiotics and superfoods. And a facial cleanser for real? They in my yard. Oh, that's loud. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'll try to get it out as much as I can. But this says this costs $34. And it's a foam facial cleanser by TULA. Okay, keep it clean. Probiotics. I'm shocked with that. And the next thing I see on this list is FARSALI. FARSALI liquid glass radiant serum. Y'all know I love FARSALI. Because here, I got my backup on my FARSALI over here. The Skin Tone Blur. And this is the FARSALI liquid glass. What is this supposed to do? This hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow with hyaluronic acid to plump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, let me bring the picture so y'all can see. To improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can be used as a hydrating skincare serum or as a radiance boosting primer before makeup. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to pause this because they're getting louder. But this is what it looks like. Okay, let's open it because y'all know I'm going to have to use this tomorrow. Yeah, we're going to use everything. Maybe we should, well, probably not the face washer. I know I've been on wash my face before I start the video. Okay, it's not oily at all. Yeah, I'm going to try this tomorrow. It just feels wet. Okay, yeah. Try that tomorrow. And I like FARSALI products. It smells good. It's not a strong perfumey smell. It's a clean smell. See how it dried down? That's cool. That's cool. The next thing on my list is, oh, wait a minute, y'all. Let me go. Wait a minute. Let me see if they almost done. Because this is just loud. Okay, guys. I don't remember where I was. I'm a little flustered. I went and made me a cup of coffee. Put me a little bit of Bailey's in there. Let's try to pick back up. Because that noise was killing me. It was killing me. Okay. The next thing in my box here is the Lolita eyeshadow by Kat Von D. And as luck would have it, I already purchased that. And let me tell y'all, this has been happening a lot lately. So I have decided, when I get these boxes and I have items that I already have, I'm going to just put them in a giveaway. Because this CIT palette, my daughter was going to come and get it for Christmas. She didn't show up. So that's going to go in a bag for a giveaway. And we'll talk about that. So I'm not going to open this, but I will show y'all what it looks like. I'll show y'all my old one. It's real pretty. It is a real pretty. That's in Swoon. They are the same colors, I'm sure. Let me be sure I'm not lying. What is this? I'm going to have to peek at it, y'all. I ain't going to touch it. I'm just going to peek at it to see what it is. Oh, no, this is different. I'm glad I opened it. I was just going to give it away. This is in Lolita. And I have Swoon. This is mine. Ah! Y'all can't have this one. Y'all got to keep this. It's an eyeshadow. Ooh, girl. Y'all almost got it. Y'all almost got it. This is Lolita. And this is Swoon. I got actually Swoon on now as a blush. Y'all almost got this, girl. I was ready to get rid of it. Don't worry, y'all. I got a lot of stuff that I'm cleaning, and we're going to have some giveaways. We're going to start doing some giveaways. But ain't that Swoon pretty? That didn't come in the box, so I'm sorry, y'all. And that Kat Von D Lolita eyeshadow was $19. The next thing I have on here is the Bliss Pore Patrol Mask Detox and Clay Souffle Mask. That was a lot. Did I pick it? Oh, yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is by Bliss. Of course, Bliss is another Sephora brand. What does this say? This Silky Souffle Mask. Oh, you got some reading. It says this Silky Souffle Mask. Created with a combination of powerful clays, deeply cleanses the skin, and minimizes the look of pores without leaving it dry and tight. Okay. All right. Meaning it ain't taking all the moisture out of your face. Wow. Okay. And it's Yeah, it's one of those little pumps. I want to pump it so bad, y'all. Oh, I want to pump it. Ooh, okay, that's what it looked like. Ooh, I want that little bit back. I'm like this. You don't have to dip your hand into nothing. It just comes out like, okay. And it smells good. I think I'm going to like this. You know what? I'm telling a tale. It don't smell good because let me tell you why. It don't smell like nothing. It just smells like air. It just smells like air. How much is that? Oh, that's even reasonable. Let me wipe this off my hand, y'all, because I sprayed that little bitty bit. See how much it went? And it's still going. And I put that right on top of all that makeup, so it won't take but a little dab. That'll last a long while. I'm happy for that. Bliss Pore Patrol Mask and Deep Detox 4 Clay Soufflé Mask. I'm going to let it sit there for a minute, see how it dry. Okay, yeah, that was $18. And the next thing I see here is the $1 Billion Brow Kit. That's what it looks like. The best brows ever. Okay, when is it going to dry? Oh, wait a minute. That's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. We got a brush. How much is this? The $1 Billion, $42. $42. The bestseller kit. Who is this by? The $1 Billion Brows. BDB. I guess that's it, because that's all it says. It says transform your brows with these essential brow products. Use a universal brow pencil to sculpt your desired look with the Brow Duo pencil. Highlight the brow bone. Okay, we're going to have to read all that, but look at the pictures. And we have the before and the afters. So we're going to see. This is the brush. I like the brush. It's got that velvety nourish feel to it. I like that brush. Y'all see that? If I put my hand in here, yeah, to block me out, yeah. I like that brush. I like that brush a lot. I could even use that brush for under here if I didn't, because I got so many brow brushes. And here is an eyebrow pencil. That's what it looks like. It's got a spoolie on one end. And oh, that's pretty brown. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I think that's gonna be too light. Why did I try that? I knew better to try that. That could have went in my box. Oh, I don't know. That might be dark enough. Look at that. Yeah, that's gonna be dark enough. This hand kind of ashy, y'all. It's kind of ashy. Okay, and then we got a brow gel. BBD brow gel. That's what that looks like. And let's see what the spoolie looks like on this brow gel. It's a clear brow gel. Oh yeah, that's a clear brow gel. That's what the spoolie looks like. Mine already set, so this probably ain't gonna move it. See, I got brows all the way up to here because of that brow gel I did use. It's I don't remember the name of it, but it's a black or a brown, and it transfers above. But yeah, I'm gonna like that. And the next thing in here is this Brow Duo Concealer. Now this I'm a little worried about, because whenever these come, they are never, ever, ever, ever dark enough. Okay, that's a no. That's a no. That's not going to work for me. Y'all see that? Even though I'm going to act a fool and I'm going to try it. I am. I'm going to try it. Now this tip is a little bit darker. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it. That's what it looks like. Maybe just put it under my brows. I'm gonna try it. And I'm going to put a powder. An eyeshadow powder on top of it, because at least it'll give that powder something to stick to. It's real light. Yeah, this starting to dry. I'm going to get it off before it dry. Yeah, it's starting to dry. Okay, y'all, that's the last thing in my box. Hopefully, I will be getting my base box soon. If it come today, y'all going to see me again today in this same makeup, because we're going to get that baby up tonight. If not, and it comes tomorrow, we'll get it up tomorrow. Okay, guys, I hope everybody is blessed and having a wonderful, what's today, Thursday? Because I'm going to get this video up now. Thursday afternoon. And don't worry about this unit or what it is. If you're wondering, I might do this later on tonight. I might get that video edited up so you guys can see that as well. Let me know what all y'all got in y'all boxes. Let me know down in the comments. Y'all know I want to know because these boxes be so iffy. And I can't wait to get this darn box from IPSY to see what's in that box. Alright guys, I will talk to y'all later. Y'all stay blessed and see y'all later. Bye guys.